Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Is your Windows broken or something you have changed on your Windows and that needs to be on a default setting? So we can achieve this with the help of services default setting on Windows 11 or 10. Just you need to come over to this website and open your services also. I'm just going to show you how we can set all the setting to defaults. Now let's see this setting you have misconfigured. Somehow you have disabled the service, and also for this how we can achieve it and what you can do. In this video I'm going to show you how you can restore all the setting to original defaults. For example, you don't know about this service, then you can simply copy this service name here and come over to this website. I will link a video into my descriptions, and you can see there the default startup is here and you can check it. And let me filter it out. Control F and simply paste the service name here, ActiveX installer. As you can see, this is the service number name, first one. Now its startup type should be manual, and startup type should be manual. Similarly, you can look for the services and it is not running. Okay, since it is not showing here as running, as you can see, it should, this service should be running. That is called application information. But what if you don't have any knowledge which service you have disabled or enabled? In that case, you have to restore all the system setting to defaults according to your OS system. For that, you need to go to this open link. This is the GitHub link. I will also link this into my description box, or you can directly head over to this website, Freebooter. And once you land to this page, you need to go to restore Windows services. Click on this bat and you should land into this page again. Now you need to download this download raw file. You need to keep it. Now it is open and let me show you what content inside this. Right click it and edit. All the services are set to default. This is for Windows 11. As you can see, all the services are related to Windows 11 default setting on your Windows, and this one is for Windows 10. The good thing about this script is it will automatically detect your operating system, and even if not, it will ask you to look for your operating system which are you are using. I mean the which version of Windows 10 or 11 Pro you are using. So in front of you, I will disable some of the services and enable wrong services here. This setting should be manual and should not be running. And second service, let's disable it. Third service, also disable. Enable it. We are basically messing up with the services, and with the help of that command we can restore all the settings. Okay, few of the settings are denied. Start it, set automatic to automatic. We have made few changes here. As you can see, these service should not be running, but it is running, and startup type is automatic. Before running this bat or any bat on your system, it's better to always create the restore point on your system. If anything goes wrong on your system, you can create the system restore point and you can restore your system to the previous state with the help of restore protection. Let's just wait few seconds here until the restore point is created, and then I will run this bat. This is a safe. I have checked it, rechecked it even, and it is just changing the value of Windows services. Now it is done now, and just restore it in case something goes wrong. Today's one, next, and restore it. Now we need to right click on this bat simply and run it as admin, and run it. And now here we go, loading processor information, all the details it has found. And now the script has been run according to all the setting has been created, and press any key to reboot the machine. Press enter to reboot the machine. Please save your work and the system will be rebooted. Reboot is required, but you can also refresh the settings here. Let me open the services. I will stop the video and then it is running. Then as you can see, it has startup type, it has set to manual, this one disable. All the services it has restored to default, and if these are running some of the services, you can press enter and reboot will be required. And after that, everything will be good on your system, back to original defaults. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.